I think what's happening at the moment is that prime assets are still the most attractive, where you've got the Asian money and some of the Middle Eastern money coming into Europe. They want the larger lot sizes. At the same time, they want prime central district offices. The towers of London are seeing a lot of demand, particularly from Asia. And in the last few months, what we've seen activity in London is the purchase of HSBC Tower, some of the large corporate towers in London, from Asian money with local expertise. So you're having a partnership between asset managers based in London or based in Europe, working with capital from either the Middle East or the Far East. That will continue. With regard to the markets and the strengths, I think London continues to be the #1 market in Europe. There is an argument to say at the moment there's a lack of prime assets because a lot of them have been transacted in the last 12 to 18 months. Because of that, people are looking at Europe, continental Europe. With regard to Paris, a very interesting market always, but I think the economic and the political uncertainty in Paris at the moment means that people are beginning to look into Germany, but difficult to find prime assets. And then Ireland, Spain, Italy, and Central Europe are becoming more attractive. I think what we're also finding at Farebrother and Corfac is that people are looking up the risk curve. So people are looking at developments or buildings with a bit of vacancy, looking at rental growth, which is coming back in some capital markets. So I think the summary is capital cities in particular, on the offices side. On the shopping side, the best shopping centres again are being sought by global investors. There's never been a more global appetite for prime real estate across Europe than there is today. And I think that will continue over the next 1 to 2 years as more global practices, and from my time at Governor of Singapore GIC, I know only too well how the allocation of global money into real estate is targeting Europe. And the work that Property EU do is invaluable in educating investors on where to be and who to work with.